It's March 31st, 2025. I'm Todd Dunn, and today I'm standing on the Manset Town Dock here in Southwest Harbor, Maine, and you can see the harbor behind me. Well, not really, because it's foggy today. We had snow and rain over the weekend, so I just hunkered down at home. Anyway, what I wanted to talk about today was what's going on with my total knee replacement. It's been 25 months since I had the surgery. I saw the orthopedic surgeon on the 3rd of March, and he x-rayed my knee, and we compared the x-rays from that day with last year, and basically no difference. My implant is fine. It's not loosening up or anything like that, and you really couldn't see any difference between the x-rays a year apart. So the implant is fine, but my knee still hurts. Like standing here right now, my knee hurts, particularly just above the knee in the thigh muscle. So what happened? He said, let's try some drug therapy and see if that makes a difference. So he put me on a steroid for a week. I took the steroid pills, and wow, they made a huge difference. My knee felt 90% better after about 2 days on the steroid. And but he doesn't think that the steroid should have affected the area right around my knee, and he thought, well, probably what's going on is something in my lower back is transmitting pain down there. And it's not just because of the steroids, it's because of the type of the pain. For example, right now my foot is numb. And so next step, x-rayed my lower back on March 12th, and I saw him actually the same day because he told me to let the office know when I'd had the x-rays done. And since I got the x-rays done just down the hall from his office, I just walked over there and popped my head in and said, my x-rays are done. He happened to be walking by and he said, come on back. So went back, he pulled them up, we looked at them, and he said, I don't see anything here that would indicate that there's any need for any kind of back surgery. There may be some soft tissue issues, particularly around the spinal cord. So let's go for an MRI. Well, we scheduled the MRI. The day I was supposed to have it, the MRI tech was out sick, so it got bumped by another week, and I finally got the MRI last week on Wednesday the 26th. Well, the next day the MRI report was back, and the surgeon called me. And he said, well, this report does not look bad at all. Maybe a little narrowing of the aperture at the base of the spine where the nerves that go down your leg come out. We might be getting a little nerve pinching there, and that may be the cause of the issue. So he said, I can't do anything about that. So what he's done is he has referred me to a pain management clinic. And I'm still waiting for them to call me and tell me when my appointment would be. He said he would contact them, send them all the data, the MRI, the x-rays, etc., and that they would get in touch with me. So that was on Thursday of last week. So right now I'm waiting to hear from them, and I did a little reading about what's likely to happen. And I would say the most likely thing is that I'm going to get a steroid injection into the epidural area in my lower spine. And that, if that works, if that's the reason I'm having this pain, that in theory should clear it up for anywhere from 6 months to a year, we think. So that's where I am now, and as soon as I hear from them and get an appointment, I will be going into Bangor, where they're located, and getting my appointment and finding out what they want to do. I mean, they could try oral drugs for a while, but that is most likely I'm going to end up with a shot into the base of my spine, which shouldn't be a big deal. I had a spinal block for the surgery, and that took about 10 minutes and wasn't a big deal. So, you know, so if I get a shot, basically the same thing, just not quite as deep. And so we'll see. So that's where I am right now on the 31st of March, 2025. My knee still hurts, but I know now at least that there's absolutely nothing wrong with the prosthetic that was put in as a joint replacement. It seems everything points toward some sort of nerve issue. So as soon as I get the appointment from the other outfit, I will let you know what's up. Probably I'll wait until I actually see them, which I hope will happen fairly early on here in April. And I looked up the people there. They're all anesthesiologists, so I think there's a very good shot that what I'll end up with is shots. Okay, let's take a look at the harbor, and then we'll call this video done. So here we are, looking west, as I'm on the Manset Town Dock here in Southwest Harbor, which is on the south side of the harbor. And we're looking west toward the head of the harbor. The Great Harbor Marina is right over there. Now let's look north across the harbor. That's the Coast Guard station. You can kind of make it out if you know what's there. And there's Greening Island over there. And up above Greening Island is the high part of Mount Desert Island. And now we're looking east. You can see Sutton Island and the Cranberry Islands in the distance. Well, not really. And over there, the dock with the little building on it is the Hinckley Company. Now it's the end of March, and the season will really get going sort of in mid-April as they start putting docks in and launching boats. So at this time, you wouldn't know that there's ever going to be any activity in this harbor. But I think in a month, it's going to look very different. Okay, one last pan, north and west again. And here's the view to the south, a little summer cottage. And Peter Trout's restaurant, which is open. And the harbor master's office there. So I'll say thanks for watching, and hopefully within a few weeks we'll know what's going to happen with the pain that I'm experiencing in my knee 2 years after my total knee replacement surgery. Thanks for watching.